The Calgary Police Service has charged a woman under the Local Authorities Election Act following an investigation into whether she was legally eligible to run as a Calgary Public School Trustee candidate last election. Following the election, a member of the public contacted us on Monday, October 30th, 2017, stated they believed the woman was not a Canadian citizen and therefore had not been eligible to run. Due to the sensitivity and the complexity of the case, it was investigated by the Anti-Corruption Unit. We have now laid charges in relation to 2 documents filed during the election, or before the election, pardon me. When a person wishes to run in a municipal school board election, they are required to file certain documents. We believe the candidate filed both a notice of intent and a nomination acceptance form stating that she was eligible to run in the election and when she was not. Nimra Amjad, 32 years, of Calgary, is charged with both signing a candidate's acceptance form that contains a false statement and making a false statement for a purpose related to an election. She is scheduled to appear in court on Tuesday, February 13th, 2018. No further charges are pending in this investigation. While I have to defer any questions about the election process, I can answer your questions now about these charges.
What are the penalties?
The maximum potential penalties could be up to $10,000 or 6 months in jail or both.
How regular is it for you to investigate something like this, an election front?
Election investigations are quite rare, actually. There's only one that I can recall to memory, but because they're so rare, that's in fact, what took so long to investigate this. We had to determine which agency should be involved in the investigation, so these things tend to be a little bit more complex because of that rarity.
And it said the CPS had gotten this tip that she was not a Canadian citizen. Have you been able to determine if she is in fact a Canadian citizen or not?
Well, following our investigation and the evidence we've collected, it does not appear that she is a Canadian citizen.
So what nationality does she appear to be from then?
I can't really comment on that because there's privacy laws at play here, as well as this matter is before the courts, and I wouldn't want to overstep that.
I mean, how troubling is it that a person was able to get from elections, from the city of Calgary's Post, nearly over 5,000 votes in an election while not being a Canadian citizen? Is this something that we should be worried about in the future?
Well, we treat anything to do with the election very seriously. I think these things are quite rare when they happen. I don't think that it's something that we believe happens on a regular basis. So I guess in short, no, but it is concerning.
And the Hate Crimes Unit had previously investigated a complaint that she made, and that investigated ended with her being uncooperative. Should she be cooperative in this case?
Generally speaking, she's been cooperative, yes.
And have you had discussions with the Hate Crimes Unit as far as what their dealings with her?
I haven't been involved in their investigation. I'm of the information that that complaint has been withdrawn, but I don't know too many details about that.
Do you know more about her background, how long she's been in Calgary?
I can't comment on those details, just for the privacy rules.
Are the charges related directly to the fact that it appears she's not a Canadian citizen, or are there other potential fraudulent items that...
Yeah, just to clarify, so when a candidate files for an election, they have to file these documents, and on those documents they swear or affirm an oath stating that they've read the eligibility rules and that they meet them. So one of the the rules is that you must be able to vote in election, which of course means that you also have to be a Canadian citizen. Any other questions about the process, I would have to defer to Elections Calgary.
Was this individual aware of the consequences of her signing that with not her her signing the paper knowing that she can't vote, was she aware of like consequences from her actions?
I can't really speak about her her intent about her actions. You know, the forms are quite clear about what she's signing, what she's swearing to. I think Elections Calgary would probably be able to provide a better answer for that.
Were you surprised at the vetting system? That it is, basically, it sounds to me as though you sign the sheet and pass it in, and it's not vetted by it.
It's an honor system?
Yeah, honor system.
That's my understanding, is that these documents, once they're sworn to, are taken at face value. Other than that, though, I can't really comment on.